Yamaha PSR-E473 Review 2026. Watch before you buy. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of carrying around a bulky keyboard or struggling to learn complicated music theory? Do you dream of becoming a skilled musician but don't know where to start? Well, let me tell you something that's going to blow your mind. There's an affordable, portable instrument out there that's changing the game. It's called the Yamaha PSR-E473. But here's what surprised me about this keyboard: it's not just for beginners. With its impressive array of built-in sounds and features, even seasoned musicians can find new ways to express themselves. Therefore, if you're looking for an instrument that's both fun and functional, keep watching because I'm about to dive deep into the Yamaha PSR-E473 and reveal all its secrets. This keyboard boasts 758 high-quality instruments, including acoustic and electric pianos, organs, strings, winds, and even percussive sounds. It also features a built-in recorder that allows you to capture your performances and share them with friends and family. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at some of the key specs. The Yamaha PSR-E473 has 32-note polyphony, which means you can play complex chords and melodies without any notes getting cut off. It also has a built-in metronome to help you keep time and a range of learning features, including a tutorial mode that walks you through basic techniques. Therefore, if you're new to music or looking for a fun way to practice, this keyboard is an absolute game changer. But here's the thing, it's not just about the features, it's also about the feel. The Yamaha PSR-E473 has a responsive, touch-sensitive keyboard that lets you express yourself with precision and nuance. Are you wondering what makes this keyboard so special? Let me tell you, it's not just about being affordable or portable, it's about being versatile. Therefore, if you're looking for an instrument that can keep up with your creative vision, the Yamaha PSR-E473 is the perfect choice. Now that we've covered some of the key features and benefits, let's take a closer look at what's inside. The keyboard comes with a range of useful accessories, including a power adapter, a music stand, and even a cable to connect it to your computer or tablet. But don't just stop at the basics, let's explore some of the advanced features that set this keyboard apart from others in its class. For example, the Yamaha PSR-E473 has a built-in style editor that lets you create and customize your own sounds using a range of parameters, including tone, attack, and release. Therefore, if you're looking for an instrument that can help you express yourself creatively, look no further than the Yamaha PSR-E473. But here's what I think is the most impressive feature of this keyboard. Its battery life. With up to 11 hours of playback on a single set of batteries, you can take this keyboard with you wherever you go and play for as long as you like without worrying about running out of power. Are you thinking about purchasing the Yamaha PSR-E473 but still have some reservations? Let me put your mind at ease. I've done my research and found that it's one of the most popular keyboards on the market, with a range of satisfied customers who rave about its quality and versatility. Therefore, if you're looking for an instrument that's going to last you for years to come, look no further than the Yamaha PSR-E473. Now that we've covered all the key features and benefits, let's talk about the price. At under $200, this keyboard is an absolute steal, especially considering its impressive array of features and accessories. But don't just take my word for it, check out some of the customer reviews on Amazon to see what other people are saying about this keyboard. Therefore, if you're ready to upgrade your music game with a versatile, affordable instrument that's perfect for beginners or pros alike, click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon today.